Okay, Mr. Coast Kid 577 back again. I'm alert mode, and now we have a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Clark County and southwest Arkansas, northwestern Dallas County and southwest Arkansas, west central Grant County and central Arkansas, eastern Hot Spring County and southwest Arkansas until 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:53 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. This storm is located 4 miles southwest of Richwoods or 9 miles southwest of Arkadelphia and moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Malvern, Rockport, Perla, Llano, Griffintown, Donaldson, Arkadelphia, Richwood, Caldwell Valley, Joan, Gifford Central, Steele, Poyen, Midway, Gum Springs, Friendship, and Witherspoon. This includes Interstate 30, mile markers 61 and 104. Stay tuned to the Coaster Kid 577 for more updates.